the people.
Goodbye, people.
Good. Bye-bye. Guys, so we are going into town. Today is Saturday. We are like gonna get like our my items to go up, and it's Saturday, so mom said it's like a good, oh mom, you want to say good morning?
Good morning.
So it's like a good day to like go to the market because it's Saturday. Everybody's down like selling because it's the weekend. So that's what we're gonna be doing while we are here. Grandma's not coming down, right? I'll just bring other stuff.
The little guy up there, so. Which little guy? Me and him did this just a while, and he said, no, teacher, he don't carry that country. Me say, what kind of... Which little guy? It's up to me, one live on the hillside up there. Jennifer, son? Me and him there, so just like, he just prepared. He said, Marge, if God did create 95% people like them, it would be a good world. He said, Marge, that the girl, anywhere me I go and she call me, have to come. No care where me I go. He said, Marge, the best host of the whole world. He just attack, he's going to write this as the family. And I said, boy, Lord, have mercy on you. Oh,
we shall be back shopping. We're trying to find gifts for my friends. No? Trying to get more taken over Jamaica. Guys, we just went to try and find something for my friends, but they're all sold out. There's these cute little slippers, and they're like handmade, and they're all sold out.
Watch out now, watch out now, dear. Watch out now. Watch out, look at that now.
Madge, you found your phone. Mom, I want to go to the supermarket before we leave.
That's so nice pants, you know what happened to me, make not sell. You feel so?
Yeah.
I love you.
I love you too. You're in the wrong location, Madge. Oh, that don't make no sense.
We still have lap blouse there.
You know I like it.
Of course, I them have here online.
Well, you have some you could put with it. You know I like it.
You know much of them, yeah? And they have them in a dress. Nice.
You don't have to. Oh, Madge, you have to cut away the ones that are.
Nice, dude. Nice.
Oh, there you go.
Come here last night. One night, steady. How much for? 2.5. I think size.
What could you wear with it?
One pencil skirt. Of course.
But you would need a little top.
This black top, man.
Perfect.
What?
It look nice.
What size?
Nice.
Come and try campaign.
No try panning. Our size? Tell me size. Me know me size. A large?
Let me look in there.
It looks like it has to be your size because it does. There's no stretch. Is it your size? You know I can't shop for anybody but myself. I'm not like, you know how you can just go and pick. I can't. Look at that, Madge. You made a sale. Yay!
You lick you.
You made a sale. Madge, you have to go outside. You should have somebody that you could just cook a little dinner for them and they go out and they walk with some of your stuff because nobody's coming here.
Uncle, give it out to every girl.
What uncle? Which one?
I usually do it, but things give them away.
And then how do you get your money?
I don't care about no money, and so then just sit down next year. He used to help me.
Really?
Yeah, he used to take them and walk all over Lucy, but when he give them, they don't get no money.
Lord of mercy.
I said, them owe me.
Oh, you what?
No money. If I look girls, send just.
Oh.
But him and Steve.
He just take it to your money.
Steve who?
And just Steve.
Oh, Teef.
No. Steve.
Steve.
Steve?
Give me a bag.
Who's Steve?
His brother.
Oh.
Get little breasts.
Why?
I don't have any.
You put it in suck them out.
If she did the year and cook, give me little juice to drink. Yeah, last
I mean,
night.
your ma.
Oldness.
Nah, yeah.
Oh. Are you dating?
I don't want no man
Why?
because I don't turn on
Are you
men.
Hanoverian?
Hanover.
Oh, you don't like Hanoverian men? Why?
Because they date you and then as you're gone and just yap.
That they're dating you?
Not me. I don't interested. I don't love them.
You don't?
Why?
Why?
Paper match.
Why?
Yeah.
They chat women a lot.
Really? And say what? I'm dating a Hanoverian and you don't even know.
That is who.
It's a secret.
No secret with him. Not
Don't
with
tell
you.
you no much.
Yeah,
I'm just joking. I'm not dating anyone. I'm single as a dollar bill.
that's right.
Dengue is what? Fever? A form of fever?
Yes, and it kills.
It kills? Why? Because of...
The virus that
What do they-
mosquito breed into you.
Guys, the dengue
Yeah.
fever is
Don't
going
go
around. Put her shirt in the people them business.
You don't come back no more.
Guys, there's this guy that's selling pear, so we're gonna go buy some pear before they're done. My hair's coming out on one side. So let's go find the pear.
Alright, give me that one then.
Should we get another one?
3 on cap. Give me one next one. Green.
Sweet Jamaica, sweet Jamaica, we nah left ya. Love me a key and my saltfish, we nah left ya. Savia man banana, we nah left ya. I'm a big flower dumpling, we nah left ya. Ain't nothing like this sweet cool breeze a jammed up. String up the sun, while heap of
Guys,
vibes
so
can't
we just got home. We went shopping and stuff. We still have to go to the grocery store, but honestly, it was a lot. Like, it was a lot carrying like the bags and everything. So we just came home like with what we got. So we got fish callaloo. I tied my hair with my hair, but it didn't work out. We just got fish callaloo, yum, fish callaloo, yum, cane, pear. What else? That's it. That's all we got. So now I'm about to eat some cane, and mom's gonna cook and we're gonna chill. Anyways, so we are gonna eat cane. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Make sure you are subscribed. The bell has those little marks that you are notified, and subscribe, notified, share, and like and comment. I want to see you guys. I want to talk to you guys. Okay guys, mom is going to have my face look so fat all of a sudden. Mom, you can just leave the paint open like this?
Never get a love like yours, mommy. Well, alright. She cooked my food, that make me stronger. I gotta testify. Mommy, I love you, take me home. Whoa, what's the charge? She said no cause. She said, I love you, thank you, mama.
eating dinner. I have yam, steamed cabbage, vegetable, and fish.
Down in the ghetto when me born and raised. Life give me lemon and I made lemonade. And I swore to my friends if I make it I won't change. And the money coming steady now.
Oh, I like you, Wilson.
Sorry. Guys, Mom, I look crazy. Guys, we are in the supermarket. Get this one. They're always thin. How much is this? 1 for $4. I get this one. They don't have the other one. Guys, so we just got home from the grocery store. Oh, I look crazy. Oh my goodness. So I'm gonna be trying. Mom, let me show them all the snacks. I'm gonna share with you guys some of my favorite snacks. Hold on. All right, so I'm not gonna share my favorite snacks, but let me share some of the things that I really enjoy and I'm gonna bring back from Jamaica. What am I talking about? So what I'm gonna bring from Jamaica back home. From Jamaica back home. Lord have mercy. So almond drops. I'm allergic to peanuts, so I can't do peanut drops. It's really hard to find almond drops in Jamaica, but if you get the chance and you love almonds, it tastes so good. So almond drops. These are what do they call these, Mom? Busters? Not busters.
What?
These, what do they call the red ones, the orange ones? What do they call the orange ones of these? The cheese ones.
Cheeses.
So they have cheesies, but I like these ones, which is like the red sugary ones.
Red tongue.
My mom calls them red tongue, but they're by Superstar. You know, I like the other one too, the orange one. I should get some of those, but these are so good. They're supposed to be like strawberry. Do I want tea? Can I have Milo with crackers?
Whatever.
Y'all, if I'm not the size of a truck by the time I leave, Mom, I don't know what I feel like in Jamaica. Like, I'll eat like a really big meal and I'm not hungry, or one day I'll be hungry like the whole day and I'm just eating. In America, I eat small, but I eat often, and I don't get nothing up there, Lord. Oh yeah, so these are supposed to be like strawberry with like sugar. It's really good. Grace ketchup, it's so good. The ketchup in America, it's like, it's very acidy, if that's a word. Very acid. Has a lot of, it feels like, it tastes like it has like acid in it. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but this ketchup with the Grace ketchup is so good. Then I'm trying the June plum with ginger. I love plum, and I love, my favorite for the True Juices is the pine and ginger. It tastes so good. I love pineapple. I eat pineapple almost every day. Yeah, so I'm gonna try the June plum one. I'll let you guys know how it is, but the True Juices are really good. They taste really good. I don't like, I tried the, what are they called? Mom, what are those juices called in the bottles? Not Tropical Rhythm. I like those. The other ones.
Which one?
The ones that are like in the Pepsi bottles. Leisha had brought them up one time.
Oh.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
What are those called?
iCool.
The iCools, I do not like those. Those taste like sugar and water. Those are so nasty. I don't like those. But the True Juices are really good.